Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So what are we doing today? Like I said, it's very important to do a visual check every other week, so you can find out what's wrong with your machine uh, before it happened. So what I did is what I found out when I did the check is I got some fuel leak right down here, right on down here where the what do you call those, the gas bowl, this is a screw or the plug there that is leaking. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna first lift this carburetor up, and then after that we're gonna remove the screw, and then so let all the gas drain out, and after that we're gonna use a paste they call a thread sealant paste to put in there, and so it will stop the leak. So removing well, we're not completely removing the carburetor, we're just gonna lift it up. So I'm probably gonna take this out, and then take this screw out right here, and then try and remove this. So after I did all those three, probably can remove kind of lift the carburetor out. So let's get to it. So hopefully that will do it. Let's see. Okay. So let's take this out first. And then this out. Okay, so got this one loose. So now we got one side out. Now let's move the other side. Okay, got that out too. Okay. Now you got everything out. And let me show you where is the screw that I was talking about. So I hope you can see this. So the screw I was talking about is this one right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a something to recover all the fuel that's in here. After we so when we unscrew it, the fuel will be in the storage. So what I did is cut a water bottle in half and put it on the bottom, so the fuel will drain down to that. Okay. So you got the screw right here, and I'll go ahead and let it drain. Okay. So as you can see, it's draining a lot of fuel. A lot of fuel. I'll get a blue towel and let me get the, let's see. So collect a lot of fuel coming out with that fuel bowl, and I'll go ahead and wipe it down. Good. So okay. So now what I do is, so this is a screw here. Go ahead and clean this up, and then so put this in. So I got some in there, so I'll go ahead and put this back in and let it settle for maybe a day before I start the scooter. So I'll go ahead and put it back. Okay. Okay, let me put this camera on the other side. Okay, let me have the camera on the other side. There you go. So now I can have the leverage to screw this in. I'll go ahead and clean all this up and put everything back and let that sit for a day or two before I start the scooter. So just make sure that all the paste is settled in before I start the scooter. And after that, probably a week of riding, I'll probably recheck again and see if it's still leaking or not. But that should work. So so that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, all right.